Hello, Namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good, happy, smiling. Thank you for all your support. Thank you so much. Today we'll see a pretty good offer from Licious. This is for everyone, so you can also try out. I'll tell you the offer details. As you see in the picture, this I have got for 38 rupees. You have to just apply a coupon. I'll tell you how to apply the coupon in the later part of the video. But before that, let me tell you, for new users, you people have got 200 off by applying the coupon on your first order. The referral coupon I'm speaking of, you can check the referral link and the coupon in the description box. You can check out if you're interested in Licious. The store is exclusively for non-veg lovers. You have many varieties over here. This is one of the items that is available on ready-to-cook meat. It takes only 15 minutes of time. This is chicken tikka. It tastes heavenly. You can try it. Not much spice is added, but you will love it because the taste is unique. And it's called Licious Taste, right? Because it is from Licious store. Okay, as you see in the picture, I unpacked it. You'll get 6 to 7 pieces of chicken tikka. Now you just have to put all those pieces in a pan. Please don't put any oil. Just add some little water as shown in the picture. Turn on high flame and keep stirring. And in just 15 minutes of time, you see the oil being separated and everything coming together as you see in the picture. That's when you have to turn off the flame and it's ready to eat. Now enjoy chunky chicken tikka, soft and delicious, right? If you want to try any other ready to cook Licious items, I'll provide the video in the I button, end screen and description box. You can check out. Now we'll see how to apply the coupon, and not only that, you can enjoy the offers. As you see in the picture, go to Licious app. Right on the home page, you will see the offers and details. As you see in the picture, it says at just rupees 49 chicken tikka mini. Click on that. You will see the offer details and copy the code as mini 49. And after you copy, come back and click on search. Given the search bar as chicken tikka, as shown in the picture, you have two types of chicken tikka. You choose mini. Click on add to cart, as shown in the picture. If you want, you can click on chicken tikka and see how it looks. Now click on view cart. You see 169 added to your cart. Click on go to payment. Click on apply coupon. You apply the coupon that is copied before. After you enter the coupon as mini 49, click on apply. That's it, done. Your coupon is applied. After applying the coupon, you can use Licious Wallet Cash to make payment. That's it, done. You can click on place order. If you have got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and enjoy the offer. Keep smiling. Have a good day.